Buying Roblox with Apple gift card. In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to buy Roblox with Apple gift card. So first of all, you have to redeem your Apple gift card. In order to do that, just go to your Apple account and then click on your profile. After clicking on it, you will see redeem a card option. You just have to redeem your code by using camera or by manually putting the redeem code. After that, go to Roblox application, and then what you have to do is you just have to log in. After logging in, you simply have to tap on Roblox section. After clicking on Roblox section, you will see all of the Roblox packages here. Select one and then subscribe for it. In the payment option, you will see Apple payment as option. As in my case, I'm seeing Google Pay balance as I have added Google Play as my payment option. You will add Apple gift card as your payment option and then or your Apple account. So then you have to click OK on it and your payment will be done, and that's how you will be able to buy Robux with Apple gift card. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.